Every campus has its stories, but not every story gets remembered. Some people don't just see moments, they frame them. It started with a simple idea to save the little things we often forget. The smiles, the chaos, the colors, all of it. Orientation, cultural night, farewell, sports. We have been behind the scenes of every celebration. Every farewell hug, every stage light, quietly turning moments into memories. What we don't see is the learning, the teamwork, the fun. Every photo has a story behind the camera too. Workshops, photo walks, creative sessions, we explore, we create. And a year ago, we made history by organizing the first ever National Photography Fest at our university, a proud milestone for the club. And along the way, we discovered something amazing. We are not just photographers, we are storytellers. And this family is called AIBA Photography Society. Where moments don't just pass, they live forever.